Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to learn simple future. In life, things happen around us, but the only thing that truly matters is how you choose to react to it and what you make out of it. Life is all about learning. Ubuzima ibintu bibaho turi, ariko icy'ingenzi ni uko wowe hari uko ubyitwaramo mu gihe bikubayeho ndetse n'icyo bikuramo. Ubuzima ni uko. Dear friends, let's come back. Hi brother, bite muvande? Great. Yes. Where are you going to do? Where are you going to do? Ugiye gukora iki? Cyangwa se ugiye gukora he? Where are you going to? I'm going to prepare what I can do tomorrow. Ngiye gutegura icyo nshobora gukora mu gitondo. I'm going to prepare what I can do tomorrow. Well, me too. You remind what I will do in the morning. Well, me too. You remind what I will do in the morning. Nanjye nibukije icyo nzakora mu gitondo. Sure. What will you do? What will you do? Nibyo icyo uzaba ukora. Nibyo icyo uzaba ukora. Sure. What will you do? Ubwo yamubazaga icyo azakora mu gitondo. You know? I will Brianna. Brianna cyangwa se Bria ni nko gushashagira cyangwa se kwishyira ku myako. Because my girlfriend will come to visit me. Because my girlfriend will come to visit me. Kubera inshuti yanjye izaza kunsura. I will celebrate with him. I will celebrate with him. Nzanezererwana nawe. Nzanezereranwa nawe. I will celebrate with him. I will receive him warmly. I will receive him warmly and check on her hand. I will receive him warmly and check on her hand. Nzamwakirana ubwuzu kandi mukore no mu biganza bye. Nzamwakirana ubwuzu kandi mukore no mu biganza bye. I will brush and watch my girlfriend whatever she needs. I will watch my girlfriend whatever she needs. Nzagurira isaha umukunzi wanjye mbese ibyo akeneye byose. You know what? You know what? Uzi n'ikindi? What? Iki? I will travel with him different areas. I will travel with him different areas. Nzatemberana nawe mu bice bitandukanye. Nzatemberana nawe mu bice bitandukanye. Oh my gosh. Huh? Oh my God. Is it that your party? Oh my God. Is it that your party? Mana yanjye. Ese kirazaba ari ikirori cyanyu? Yeah, it's okay. I will participate our party. Yeah, it's okay. I will participate our party. Yego, nibyo. Nzitabira ikirori cyacu. Will you invite me to share with us? Will you invite me to share with us? Mwazanumira tugasangira. Mwazanumira tugasangira. Will you invite me to share with us? No worry. You can listen in my secrets. No, well, you can listen in my secret. Oya si byiza ushobora kukumvira amabanga. What about you? What will you do tomorrow? Huh? What about you? What will you do tomorrow? What is? Icyo uzaba ukora mu gitondo. According to me, I will wake up in the morning. According to me, I will wake up in the morning. I will change the clothes, then go out to pee. To pee, ni ukujya kwihagarika cyangwa se utavuga pee ukavuga urinate. Urinate. Nzahinduranya imyambaro nyuma njye kwihagarika. I will pray. I will pray. Nzasenga. I will take a shower. I will take shower. Nzoga. I will brush the teeth. I will brush the teeth. Nzoza amenyo. I will put on my clothes. Nzambara. I will clean up a house. Wibuke ko clean up ni nko guhanagura inzu nko ku madirishya hejuru n'ibintu biba byarafashe. Clean up. Nzahanagura inzu. I will clean a car. Nzahanagura imodoka. I will clean a car. Nzahanagura imodoka. I will take breakfast before leaving. I will take breakfast before of leaving. Nzafata ibya mu gitondo mbere y'uko ngenda. I will greetings many people. I will greetings many people. Nzasuhuza abantu benshi. Nzasuhuza abantu benshi. I will meet different people. I will meet different people. I will meet different people. Nzahura n'abantu batandukanye. I will go to church. I will go to church. Nzajya ku rusengero. Nzajya ku rusengero. I will go to visit my neighbor. I will go to visit my neighbor. Nzasura abaturanyi banje. I will buy airtime of my phone. I will buy airtime of my phone. Nzagurira amayinite telefoni yanjye. I will call my friends. I will call my friends. Ntabwo bavuga friend, bavuga friends. Nzahamagara inshuti zanjye. I will come back. Nzagaruka. I will help my parents of domestic job. I will help my parents of domestic job. Nzafasha imirimo ababyeyi banjye yo mu rugo. Imirimo yo mu rugo bayita domestic job. Nzafasha imirimo ababyeyi banjye yo mu rugo. I will help my parents of domestic job. Are you telling me the truth? Are you telling me the truth? Sugumbwiza ukuri. It's up to me. This is it's up to me. It's up to me. Ibyo ni ibindeba. Ibyo ni ibindeba. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. Reka kunyisekereza. It's up to you. Let me living alone. Nibikureba reka nje nigendere. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you like this channel, do subscribe. If you want to tell me something, write in the comment. Niba wakunze iyi video, ihe like. Niba ukunda ino channel, subscribe. Niba hari inyunganizi, reka muri comment. Iyi channel rero turayibashishikariza kugira aho dufashe mudukunde mukande subscribe, mutere inkunga kugira ngo tugere ku ntego twihaye. Icyo nshaka nuko mumenya kwiga Icyongereza mukakimenya neza, hanyuma mukaba abanyeshuri beza. Mbifurije kumenya muduheshe iryo nota mukande subscribe, ubundi komeze kumenya.